At the 2025 International Defense and Security Exhibition, FEINDEF, held at IFEMA Madrid from May 12 to 14, Spanish aerospace firm Airtech introduced its latest innovation, the BAT Precision Air-to-Surface Gliding Bomb tailored for unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Developed in collaboration with Zaragoza-based defense company Instalaza, the BAT emerged as a key component of Spain's drive toward sovereign defense solutions, showcased on a full-scale Airbus SIRTAP tactical drone model alongside the Fox micromissile. The BAT represents a sophisticated integration of advanced navigation and targeting systems, including an inertial navigation system, INS, global navigation satellite system, GNSS, and a terminal semi-active laser, SAL, seeker. This combination enables precise strikes with minimal collateral damage, a vital feature for modern contested environments where UAVs operate. The SAL seeker provides a targeting field of plus or minus 17 degrees and can engage targets up to 3.2 kilometers away during the final attack phase. Presented jointly by Airtech CEO Antonio Gómez Guillamón, Defense Director Pedro Becerra, Instalaza CEO Miguel Muñoz, and Airbus's SIRTAP Program Manager Modesto Revuelta, the BAT underscores Spain's growing industrial independence in defense technology. Designed to satisfy evolving operational demands, this lightweight, 16-kilogram gliding bomb offers scalable and precise strike capabilities optimized for UAV deployment. BAT's aerodynamic design incorporates foldable wings and control surfaces that minimize drag while extending flight range and stability after release. It operates effectively at speeds from 250 to 750 km per hour and can be launched from platforms flying faster than 50 knots, at altitudes ranging from sea level to 7,600 meters. Depending on launch conditions, the bomb's range exceeds 30 kilometers. Its flight profile begins with aerodynamic deployment and speed adaptation, continues through GNSS waypoint navigation, and culminates in a laser-guided terminal approach that ensures accuracy. A significant feature of the BAT is its modular warhead system, allowing it to carry multipurpose, anti-armor, or bunkerbuster payloads, tailored to mission requirements and benefiting from Instalaza's expertise in precision warheads. The system is ITAR-free and adheres to rigorous MILSTD standards for durability and electromagnetic compatibility. All guidance, navigation, and control components are internally integrated to guarantee compatibility with tactical UAVs. Specifically developed for platforms like the Airbus SIRTAP, BAT can be mounted in sets of 4 under the UAV's wings. Optional rocket boosters can enhance range and maneuverability, giving drones equipped with BAT the ability to strike from safe distances against stationary or moving targets, guided by GPS or laser designation. The BAT's introduction complements the SIRTAP UAV, a tactical platform co-developed by Airbus Spain and Colombia CIAC since 2017. The Spanish Ministry of Defense's 2023 order for 27 SIRTAP units initially focused on reconnaissance and surveillance roles, but with BAT's integration, these drones gain a robust offensive capability. Designed to endure extreme climates, from minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius, the SIRTAP boasts over 20 hours of flight endurance, a maximum speed exceeding 200 km per hour, and an operational ceiling of 6,400 meters. It can carry payloads up to 150 kilograms, with a maximum takeoff weight of 750 kilograms, and is capable of deploying from runways as short as 800 meters, ideal for remote expeditionary missions. This unveiling builds on earlier developments, such as the Tarsus W drone equipped with the Fox micromissile, a lightweight, 3-kilogram, 50mm caliber missile with a 500-gram warhead effective against lightly armored targets. Each Tarsus UAV can carry up to 4 Fox missiles with a 4-kilometer range, highlighting Spain's focus on domestically sourced armed UAV systems. Spain's defense landscape remains reliant on foreign UAV platforms. Israeli Searcher drones serve the army, while the Air and Space Force operates American MQ-9A Predators armed with Hellfire missiles. The BAT SIRTAP pairing represents the country's first fully national strike drone capability, marking a significant strategic shift toward reducing dependency on external suppliers. Airbus and Airtech officials emphasize not only the technological breakthrough but also the export potential of this homegrown solution, targeting allied nations seeking advanced UAV strike systems. The BAT's integration with SIRTAP not only elevates Spain's defense industry but also positions it as a competitive player in the global high-end unmanned weapons market.